How to send stars on Facebook Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you want to support your favorite creators on Facebook Reels by sending stars or gifts, I will guide you through the process in this short video. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And once you have opened it, at the top of the home screen, you will notice a video or reel icon. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, scroll through the Reels feed and find the video that you want to support. So if the creators allow it, you will see a star icon labeled as show your support on the video. So just tap on that icon, and if the option is available, a pop-up will appear with different gift choices. So pick the one that you would like to send. You can also type a message or comment in the add a comment with your gift field, and once you're ready, just tap on send for amount to proceed. And if you haven't added a payment method before, Facebook will prompt you to do so. So just select add credit or debit card and follow the steps to complete your purchase. And after your stars are ready, confirm your gift and hit send stars to show your appreciation to the creator. And that's it. You have just supported a Reels with Star. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.